Lightroom looks complicated when you first open it, but don't worry, once you understand where everything lives, it's way easier to navigate. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of the Lightroom interface and show you exactly where you'll spend most of your time. Hi there, I'm Zach, and if Lightroom feels overwhelming right now, it's totally normal. But here's the good news. You really only need to understand a couple of key areas to get you started. In this video, we'll take a quick look at all the modules, but we'll focus on the two you'll actually spend the most time in, the Library and the Develop module. Lightroom is built around a series of modules. You'll find them across the top right of your screen. They are the Library module, the Develop module, Map, Book, Slideshow, Print, and Web. Honestly, if you're new to Lightroom, you'll live almost entirely in the Library and Develop modules. And that's perfectly fine. Most photographers rarely touch the others. They have more specialized purposes. The Library module is your control center for managing your photos. Here's a quick breakdown. On the left, you'll see the catalog and folder browser. This is where you navigate through your photos. In the center is the grid or loop view. Use G for grid, E for loop. On the right side, you'll see metadata, keywording, and quick develop panels. Next up is the Develop module. This is where all your editing happens. Here's a quick layout tour. On the left, you'll find presets in the history panel. On the center pane is your photo preview. On the right is where the real magic happens, your editing controls. In the Basics panel, you adjust your exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, white balance, and more. Tone curve, HSL panel, color grading, details panel. And below that, you'll find, and above that up here, you can find masking tools for targeted adjustments. If all of that sounds like a lot, don't worry, we'll cover each of these in upcoming videos. For now, just know that this is where you shape your final image. We're not really going to cover any of the other modules at this point, as for someone who's just beginning with Lightroom Classic, we don't really need to know about these. We'll make videos in greater detail about how to use each of these and their purpose at a later date. And that's your quick tour of the Lightroom interface. In the next video, we'll jump straight into the Develop module and walk through your very first photo edit, covering essential tools like exposure, color balance, cropping to help you turn a good photo into a great one. If you're enjoying the series, hit subscribe and follow along. And if there's a part of Lightroom that's still confusing, drop a comment below. I'd love to clear it up.